Hey, I'm Ryan with Wonder Discovers, and today we're going to look at the Seasonic GX-750 power supply. And let's take a look at what comes in the box. So it's a fully modular power supply, so you don't have that entire nest of cables in your case that you don't need. So this is interesting. They have a coronavirus informational card telling you about what they don't include in the packaging, which is nice. It says it doesn't include any non-woven materials. Chance to win a Steam e-gift card, user manual, and installation guide. There's some more zip ties. We got the power supply itself here. So black Seasonic, and you can see all your ports in the back here, fully modular, so you can just plug in whatever you need. Don't need to have the entire, bee's nest of wires, which is really nice. Then you got a regular computer cable for AC power, and basically all your cables. Not really sure what this plastic thing is for the ATX sized power pin, but basically you have all your cables here, some woven, some aren't woven, so that's pretty much it. So thanks for checking this out. I hope it helps show you what comes in the Seasonic GX750. Thanks for watching.